Hey, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make a lemon drop martini. Take your shaker, add some ice, 2 ounces lemon flavored vodka, 1 ounce triple sec or Cointreau, 2, 3, 4. If you're not used to free pouring yet, use your jigger. I'm pretty comfortable free pouring, so I can do that. Then sweet and sour, about 1 ounce to 2 ounces, depending on the size of your martini glass. You can also serve this as a shot. If you serve it as a shot, just don't use quite as much sweet and sour. There's some sweet and sour in there. You want to shake it up until it's nice and cold. Take your martini glass. You can sugar in. Some people might not want the sugar in. I will put a sugar in on there. It's nice and cold. Pour it in. You can do a lemon wheel or a twist as a garnish. We'll do a lemon wheel. And there you go. That's it. A lemon drop martini. I'm Ed the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com. We have a full line of bartender shirts, t-shirts, hats, tank tops, sweatshirts, all kinds of gear and accessories. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.